What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see from the thumbnail and the description and stuff, we are heading out to the Nashville pull-apart today. It is approximately, I don't know, what's the temperature say? 17 degrees with light snow right now. So that's great. It's gonna be cold as hell when we get there. But we got jackets, we got some gloves. We're gonna grab our, jeez, you can't see shit. But yeah, we're about to hop in the truck. Got some coffee, got our tools, got the camera. Let's go stay cold and go pick some parts. Hell yeah. Y'all probably can't see a whole lot of perfect right now, but it says we're gonna be there in about an hour and 4 minutes. I didn't know they still had driver's ed. Driver's ed, student driver. I thought you just teach your fucking kids to, you know, drive cars nowadays. I mean, I didn't go through driver's ed. I'm perfectly fine. Probably do a little more stupid shit, but you know. Well, gotta take a whole left here. Then we're off heading over there, closer to the highway. Almost there. No, I'm just kidding. We still have like, I don't know, 56 minutes to go. So you see, we ain't made it too far yet. Well, as you can see, we made it a little bit farther by the golf course in Clarksville right now. But we still have 48 minutes to go. Pull apart opens at 8 o'clock. So, you know, I'll get there about 15 minutes before they open. It would seem, wow, nice. That thing clapped the fuck out. I think we are just gonna go ahead and park over here in first row. While we just kind of wait. Well, takes an hour and 7 minutes to get here. 7:47, 19 degrees. We're going to pick parts, all right? So we'll see you guys in the yard. Trying to find ourselves some VW stuff. All right, what's up, guys? So we are in the pull-apart Nashville here. Whoop, maybe some traffic. We are going to be looking for a lot of VW stuff, Mark 4. Moving around a little Land Rover stuff here. All the import stuff's going to be right here in like row 300 something. It's got the GM stuff. And a little bit of extra leftovers over there too. But let's try to find ourselves some Mark 4s, huh? 320, 340s, stuff like that. So we're gonna find ourselves our row that we need to be in. They're pretty organized here, to be honest. We found one 2003 Mark 4 Golf. It's pretty trashed. As you can see, she got ripped up. Let's go down here and see what else there is. Oh, check out this little freaking cabrio right here. Sick. Damn, thing's awesome. You got an engine in here? Oh, let's check it out. Oh, just gotta push on it directly. Woo! Hell yeah. What the hell is that fucking thing? It's crazy looking. Anyway, moving on. We saw the little Jetta wagon over here. I think that's gonna be the first one we go for. Because it looks like it's decently complete. 1.8 turbo. Hell yeah, we can use some parts off this thing for sure. Maybe. Ah, oh, sure enough, somebody already stole the center console. Probably had cup holders in it. We're gonna try to get some of the little lay flat vents out of here. Looks like somebody just broke that one. Yeah, that sucks. Be able to grab a few things out of this thing for sure. Yep, armrest is busted. Seats are good though. It's actually a nice little car. I don't think I should try to bring home any seats today. See if we can't pop the back open. It's probably electronic. Yep, that ain't gonna work. Damn, they broke that one too? That's some bullshit. Oh, but this assembly's good. We'll be able to take that out and probably that center lay flat and that lay flat. So let's go start pulling. All right. So as y'all can see, we got the pieces out of here, got the lay flats out of that. That thing's all destroyed. Took all the switches out. We did get this little piece. This gauge cluster would be pretty sick, but there's not a whole lot of other stuff that I'm gonna be able to need here. So we did get 3 working sets of lay flats. Now we're gonna be off to find some more Mark IVs. All right, so we found another Jetta. Okay, that doesn't work good. Oh my God, my hands are fucking frozen. This looks like it's probably complete and very disgusting. We can probably raid the cup holder console out of here while we try to get a little bit more warm in. It's fucking cold. That's busted. Oh my God. But this cup holder console seems to be complete. Hell yeah. We got some more lay flats right here. Yeah. Well, that one's a little bit busted. Yep. Alrighty. And let's see what else. Oh, and this piece right here, I'm gonna have to hold the hood up with something, but that piece right there, screwdriver is, that's all complete. I need that. Hell yeah. It's a good day so far. So we're gonna do the inside stuff first. Don't really need that open for now, but I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys. So we found a bunch more lay flat vents that are all good. So all these pieces are coming home. This goes on the back of that cup holder console, which is sweet, and it looks to be in good condition. All the clips and the little slide is there. We did get this whole piece off right here. Sweet, man. For that wiring harness cover up here in the front that I broke on mine when I was doing the radio wire and stuff for the amp. So moving on to the next one. All right, guys, we found one. VR6, baby. It's about half pulled. Looks like trying to get transmission or something out of it. Not a lot of engine trim pieces, but it's a VR6. Look like somebody already tried to snag some lay flats. And has a regular console. Oh, they just grabbed a shift console and shit out of it. Huh. Ain't that funny? Well, let's see what kind of trim we got already taken off here. Nope. Don't need that. I don't know what the hell that is. Got a grill and some other trim. Standard VW seat type stuff. Another couple of lay flats. I think these ones are pretty much trash. I mean, we got a few. Oh, fuck it. We'll take the. Ow. Need that clip. I don't need that clip. That hurt, man. I ran my head right into the fucking trunk latch. Need that clip. Oh yeah. Treasure chest right here, baby. Need a We need a whole bunch of these little clips for the ship box. So, but I'm all pretty good still. Oh, look, a couple more. I'll come back, get them out with a screwdriver. What we got back here? Oh, shift console's destroyed. So, guess we'll just grab what we can grab. A bunch of clips right here. Put that in that little spot. And we'll take apart these lay flats. Alright guys, I think we're gonna probably end the video here. We found a whole bunch of stuff. A little glove box trim that's got all the trim to it and whatnot. A bunch of lay flat vent type stuff. This centerpiece that is in absolutely good condition right here, not sticky or anything. We're gonna need that for ours, maybe. I didn't find any of the little side trim that's good, but this will work out pretty good right here, not sticky. This console, we did take that with the rear cup holder as well. Just kind of clean that up a little bit. The rest is all lay flat vents and just trim. It's fucking cold, man. Still snowing. If y'all can see that in the camera, I don't know. Found a place to take a dump over there in Porta John. It's absolutely freezing fucking cold. But I'm sorry I didn't kind of video everything. I had a shit so bad. It's probably gonna be funny to some of y'all. But yeah, overall it was an awesome day at the pull apart. Found a lot of trim pieces to be able to replace with working things for the shit box, and maybe sell some of these lay flat vents. So if y'all need some, y'all Mark IV guys, if y'all want some lay flat vents, depending on the price I pay here, we'll go from there. I'll also be able to fix them because I have a lot of the just insert pieces. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We had a lot of fun out here, even though it was like 18 freaking degrees, maybe like 22, I don't know. It's absolutely freezing. We'll probably come back out here and grab some more stuff, but we'll have some videos of the installs and all this stuff and how that works. But for now, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe guys for more, and we'll see y'all in the next one.